You're druggy, homeless black people that roam around here, okay? They're vandalizing cars. And you're letting these people stay here, okay? Yes, that's the city's responsibility. They're loitering.
She wants to shoot homeless people.
So it's none of your...
What up, guys? This video comes to you from Film the Police LA. I think this guy does fantastic work. As a matter of fact, I think he's one of the best cop watchers that I've ever seen. He does have an Instagram as well. Make sure you guys follow him on his YouTube and his Instagram. This is a really short video of a crazy racist woman. Check this out. Go subscribe to his channel. Let's get right to it. I'll see you at the end.
You guys can't confront these people and get them off the street. That's right. You can't, because they're just sitting here. What's your gun for? What's your gun for?
Oh.
Because if I would have had a gun, I would have shoot that. That's right. That's right. You don't know how to use your gun, sir. Okay. That's why you're sitting here.
She wants to shoot vandals and stuff.
That's right.
The wrong answer.
No, it's the right answer. That's why they have you sitting here doing computer work. That's right. That's right.
How did this happen?
At 4 o'clock, probably 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You're druggy, homeless black people that roam around here, okay? They're vandalizing cars. And you're letting these people stay here, okay? Yes, that's the city's responsibility. They're loitering.
She wants to shoot homeless people.
So it's none of your fucking
It is my business, you dumb bitch.
Do you guys hear what this lady is saying? She's advocating for cops to just pull out their weapons and start killing people, especially black people. This is insane, folks. What makes people act this way? I know there's a lot of crime out there. I know there's a lot of shit going on out there, but that's why we, the people, need to learn how to protect ourselves, right? That's important. We got to stop being dependent on the police. And if you really listen to this woman's words, she's dependent on the police and she wants them to actually kill people. It's totally insane the way she's behaving. Keep watching, folks.
Shut your mouth.
None of your fucking business.
Well, you're here in public talking, so I'll speak up. That's why you look like a fucking slob. Look at you. You literally look like a slob. Get your shit together, lady. You look disgusting. You're just miserable. No wonder you're miserable. Look at you. You're shaped like an apple with little skinny legs. You look like shit.
You know what?
You know what? Look at you. You're fucking broke. You're broke. You're broke. You're broke. You're broke. Your life sucks. Your life sucks, lady.
He started it.
You're the one in here talking about shooting people for vandalism.
Your fucking jungle.
You're the one. You look at you. You're the one from the jungle, lady. Look at you.
No, I'm a man.
You with your little $5 outfit. Look at you. You're disgusting. You look disgusting. You look disgusting, lady. Why don't you pull up your shirt? Your love handles are seeping over the side. It is too bad. It's a damn shame. Look at you. You're disgusting. You look filthy.
He can't shut up.
Yeah, you're the one who started it, lady.
I'm trying to get the report, so.
Yes.
Don't help her with
This guy's
nothing.
not minding his business, sir.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, he's not minding his business.
Shut up. You're saying racist stuff. You're saying racist stuff.
He's not minding his business, sir.
You racist. That lady right there, if you know her, she's a fucking racist.
You know what, asshole? If I
You literally
didn't have
don't.
to see people
You
in the
literally
hospital,
don't
you
have
would
the
let them
waste.
die.
You literally don't have a waist.
I didn't have to see people at the hospital like you were.
Oh, wow. So you work at a hospital?
Let people like you die.
Oh my God. So
Yep. Get a
enjoy
life.
the fame.
Get a life.
Enjoy the fame.
Get a life. Sorry
Enjoy
your
the
dad
fame.
didn't
Enjoy the
take care of
fame.
me. Get her! Get the hell out of here! Get out!
Okay. Hey, back inside.
All right, guys, here are my final thoughts. Film the Police LA does outstanding work. He has exposed many bad cops and many bad politicians and city council members and stuff like that. This guy, like I said, I think is one of the best cop watchers out there in the LA area. Shout out to some of the channels that I like out there a lot as well. I also do believe that there was channels out there. There was a bigger channel in LA who I do believe was kind of misleading people and telling people to go do private businesses and shit. Me personally, I don't really care for private business audits, yada, yada, yada. A lot of bad shit has happened with some of the channels out there. I think, like I said, they were misled. But hey, man, we can always get back right back on track, right? And especially by following leaders like this guy. This guy is not a follower. This guy is a leader. Film the Police LA. One of the best channels recording police out of the LA area. This guy does fantastic work. Take it from your boy San Joaquin. I've been doing this shit a long time. I've been paying attention. You guys, I will be dropping his original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Before you guys get out of here, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. People don't seem to know it. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. You see how fast I'm able to state that? Because I know it and I understand it. You know, nobody's teaching the cops this stuff, and we the people have had to do it. I've actually learned it myself by doing what I do. So it's an empowerment, folks. Once you learn it, you won't forget it, and you'll be able to apply it. You'll be able to use it when you need it. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.